it's an interesting one, isn't it? Because apps solve a functional problem, but they don't really solve the problem of a business. There's that human element is huge, isn't it?
Look at technology as a tool, and I always use my favorite comparison is a hammer. Hammer is a tool, and with hammer you can destroy or you can build.